We know that cloud is growing, and we see that it's reached ubiquity. Cloud services are embedded in every business function, regardless of size and maturity. And we're looking to create the network effects within our ecosystem to support cloud app publishers on our Microsoft Marketplace platform.
Welcome to the Microsoft Partner Innovation Vodcast. I'm your host, Jennifer Zarate. Today is dedicated to how our partner community is supporting ISVs, essentially any organization who is building B2B software to sell to customers. And joining me today is none other than Anthony Joseph, Vice President for Marketplace and ISV Journey. His team owns the ISV Success Program and all the product marketing for Marketplace. Thank you so much for joining me today, Anthony.
And thank you, Jennifer, for having me. So excited to be here.
Absolutely. And in person, how about that?
Yes, love that.
And jumping right on into the conversation, how is Microsoft leaning in to support ISVs?
Thank you, Jennifer. We see this as a shared opportunity for ISVs, for our collective customers, and for Microsoft. We know that cloud is growing, and we see that it's reached ubiquity. Cloud services are embedded in every business function, regardless of size and maturity. And we're looking to create the network effects within our ecosystem to support cloud app publishers on our Microsoft Marketplace platform.
And I heard, Jake touch on that during our interview on the Marketplace opportunity. While there is a lot of durability with cloud budgets, I'd imagine that the market is getting competitive with so much uncertainty.
Yes, that's right. We are in an uncertain economic time where companies are trying to do more with less. For ISVs wanting to support from Microsoft, we have the ISV Success Program, and it's now globally available in public preview. This offering is rooted within the Microsoft Cloud, and the Marketplace is absolutely core as we're helping ISVs not only build with Microsoft, but sell with us.
Absolutely. And we've been saying that the Success Program is supporting ISVs with Microsoft Cloud. Could you get into a bit more of what that means and why it's important to ISVs and partners?
Sure, Jennifer. Customers' needs are evolving, and their stacks are expanding, and their needs are becoming more complex. The Microsoft Cloud is the most comprehensive and trusted cloud marketplace in the world. We provide capabilities that allow developers to get up and running quickly. We provide technical consults, and we allow customers and ISVs to consume solutions that are cross-cloud.
Now, what are you seeing with today's ISV Success Program? Are most of the solutions Azure, or are you seeing scenarios of ISVs really building across the Microsoft Cloud?
That's a great question. The comprehensiveness of the Microsoft Cloud is truly a differentiator. From the pilot, the majority of ISVs are building on more than one platform, with the most common platform and scenario being Teams apps running on Azure. And this makes sense, right? We're all living in a new reality of hybrid work. And Teams is one of the most powerful tools in the world. Customers need to optimize the realities of employees that are remote, but still need to foster one-to-one connections. There's a huge growth opportunity area, and one of the most popular Microsoft Cloud Service combinations. Since last year, there has been a 500% growth in monetizable Teams apps listed on our marketplace. While Teams and Azure is popular, the reality is that the possibilities are endless.
I absolutely love that. And amazing to hear, right? Getting some clarity on the Microsoft Cloud opportunity. So could you give us a bit more detail on what the ISV Success Program offers and how it will help ISVs grow and scale their business?
Of course. And we're super excited to announce the public preview launch of the ISV Success Program. With this Success Program, ISVs can build across the Microsoft Cloud and get access to cloud sandboxes, developer tooling with GitHub and Visual Studio, technical and business resources, and a dedicated community to help them when they have questions. The core package has real value.
Yes, I've heard that it's more than 100K?
100K, Jennifer, it's over 125K of value. And we're excited because all major platforms, including Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, GitHub, and Visual Studio are represented in this package. Another huge benefit of the program is the technical consults each participant receives. These one-to-one sessions with our cloud experts help ISVs architect great apps that they can deploy onto our marketplace publish and get visibility from those consumers that are coming to find, discover, buy, and try solutions, and then sell while they sleep. And so developers have everything they need to build their app and sell on our marketplace. We are still in the first year of the program and are growing exponentially with over 2,000 ISVs enrolled, more than we originally anticipated.
And that's fantastic to hear, right? Getting a lot more partners than anticipated. Yes. And also great to hear how Microsoft is supporting ISVs. So we know feedback from the solution area designations may not have hit squarely on the needs for ISVs, but sounds like there's a ton to offer here.
Yes, and absolutely. Jennifer, we did take this feedback to heart. We brought it in and spoke with ISVs directly about what they needed. And we're committed to helping every ISV with the ISV Success Program. And the ISV Success Program supports every ISV, regardless of size or maturity. We help them to find their success with Microsoft. We're always going to reshape and adjust to the needs of the market, and starting with the voice of the ISV was step one for us. We've recently announced another set of expanded offerings to support ISVs. Qualified ISVs can actually attain additional cloud credits and up to 50 hours of consults with our Microsoft Cloud experts. This will be part of the private preview, and we're excited to support ISVs in building and selling with Microsoft.
Excellent, and that's great. I mean, a lot of details we recently covered at the Marketplace Summit, right? We had an in-depth conversation, you and I.
Yeah, and we hosted the Microsoft Marketplace Summit on November 15th. It was an awesome way for us to connect with ISVs and share about the great offerings that we are rolling out for ISVs.
Fantastic. And hey, interested in learning more, head over to Microsoft.com/ISV to join the ISV Success Program today. Thank you so much, Anthony, for your time today, and great to have had this conversation in person. And thank you, as always, to all of you for tuning in to another episode of the MPI Vodcast. I'm Jennifer Zarate.